Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So, guys, we have an opportunity from Infosys to discuss in this video. So, it's a great update. Infosys have started off campus recruitment from 2019, 20, and 21st batches: BE, BTech, MTech, MCA, BCA, BSc, MSc, and diploma students for this next schedule. Okay, so next schedule have been, registration have been started. So, last day to apply is on November 7th, this Sunday. Upcoming just 2 weeks ahead. So soon after you watch this video, by get to know like how the registration process and everything. After that, apply it at the earliest. Okay, so that's about the opening available. So let's see what is the registration process and how we can proceed with that. So particularly for each of this, I have provided different links. So all these links will be there in the description. You can get it from there and apply it at the earliest. Okay, but when you're talking about the application form, it do look similar, but it's going to different backend database. Okay, so once you are applying for that, just take accordingly your which graduation you belong to. Similarly, you take up and go, but maybe all of the application links will be having the similar fields to fill, but the registration process or the database that is collecting is different. So make sure that you do it correctly. Okay, so now let's see what is the registration form and registration steps that you have to take care of. So this is the registration form. You have to accept the terms and conditions. After that, you will have an application for employment. That this is completely for personal details. Okay, completely for personal details. So here you will have like 10 to 12 questions of this personal questions. Okay, so this is it. You can see the phone number, the alternate contact number, date of birth, then you have a password, address. Yeah, that's it. And after that, you can go to the next page. So next page will be completely upon your education. So you can just give all your education forms, education details. So basically, if you are a diploma student, then till that you have to give. If you're a graduate, then accordingly you have to give. Okay, so I've just selected some random data here to just show you. Just give the right data with you. Okay, so this is about it. So everything, or which board that you have studied, what is your marks that you got, and what was the course, what was the specialization, everything will be asked here. So make sure you give all the immense data for the same. Okay, that's it. And after that, you can move on to the next page for next application process, that is association with Infosys. Have you undergone any selection process with Infosys Limited or Infosys subsidiaries? These are the Infosys subsidiaries. Then previously, okay, that is recently, like some of the interview have been scheduled. So if you have you appeared or not, okay, that's asking. If you have appeared, then you can give yes. If you not appeared, then you can give no and proceed with that. Okay, next we'll be having some set of questions, that is other details. Are you employed as a director in other company? Because this is freshers hiring, right? So you can give no. Are you employed as a partner in another company? Accordingly, okay, this is completely according to you. Have you been at any convenient by a court or any criminal offense and sentenced to imprisonment or any criminal procedures and everything? So this is company policy exactly. Okay, next we have in section to give the proof of identity, that is identity card. So you can just upload any of your college identity card for that. So if you don't have the college identity card, you can just use the government identity card, Aadhaar card, or your ID proof, voters ID proof, anything like that. Okay, next is the declaration. You have to declare to the company policy, and after that you can just go for the captcha and submit. So most probably this will be towards the ending of that. So I'll just show you. I agree to that. After that, you have to go for the digital signature. That is, yes, place and date is done, and place you can just provide accordingly. So I'll just provide some date, some here, enter your full name. Okay, I'll just give this itself. Next, we'll have validate the captcha. So accept it, and after that, submit. So this is it. This is all about the application process. So make sure you apply it at the earliest. So you can see the questions that we have attended, 51 and 92. I have skipped all the optional things. Okay, so 92 questions in total. That is, if you are a diploma student, that details. If you're a graduate student, that details. And if you are a postgraduate, that details as well. Okay, so this is for BTech MCA that I've shown right now. And next will be for the other candidates. Similarly, 3 links are there, as I've mentioned. All the details that they are asking is same only. If you have the relevant data, you give it, or else you can completely skip that. Okay, the application form looks the same, it's completely looks the same, but the data that is taking is a little bit different. Okay, so accordingly you just give all the details regardingly. So this is about it. All the links will be there in the description box as well. Yeah, you can see, right, the links, the difference in the URL ID. So that is what it's happening here. Okay, so just by saying the link, you just don't give the means one link itself, don't apply it everything. Okay, so that's about it. Next we have yeah, this is another link as well. So every process is same only. Once again, I'm repeating, every process same only. Take your all your certificates data with you, and after that fill it correctly. Okay, don't misspell any of the things, because this is completely taken to the selection process. Okay, so that's about it. So guys, if you like our contribution, then definitely you can subscribe our channel and activate the bell icon as well. So we used to provide the timely details regarding the company's openings available. So soon after the company have updated, we used to bring it up, and also some of the like interview process, after the interview process and everything. And we have application to offer you many courses. So we are there to help you throughout your process. Okay, your complete selection interview process, your placement journey. So if you wish to do that, then you can get our guidance in any way. You can just ping it up in any of the comment section. You can mail us at info@onlinestudyforyou, Instagram channel, Telegram channel, wherever you can just find us and ping your concerns. Okay, we'll surely come up with that. Okay, and if you have any further doubts, please do mention in the comment section. We'll definitely look forward for that. And also suggestions regarding the video credit, well welcomed in the comment section. So until I come up again, everybody stay safe, stay happy, and stay tuned to Online Study for You.